better get with the program. I ain't some chick off the gram. I don't do no one night stands. If you want me, better be a man. But I need to know if you can handle all my blessings. My blessings.
Okay, y'all, I gotta be quiet because my best friend is here and she's asleep. And I was on Facebook and I seen this freaking prank where like this boy's girlfriend lit up some fireworks and they literally sound like gunshots, like pop, 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 pop. And my best friend is knocked. I mean, when I say knocked out, I mean mouth open. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to literally do this prank on my best friend, this firecracker prank, just to get her reaction, see how she gonna react. Y'all, this is about to be so funny. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Spam the comments below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified every time your girl posts. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Straight into the video. Let me show you.
Chase the butterfly. Yeah. And it's just like, I just gotta let it come to me. I just, yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I got the fireworks out of my purse and I'm literally finna, so I'm about to put all of the little strings right here together so that they all go off and pop off at the same time. So yes, I got my lighter, I got my bowl because it does this like little light up thing first and then it pops off. So let me just, excuse my bathroom, y'all. I was getting ready, but let me be quiet because I don't want her to hear me. Oh shit, hold on, y'all, I'm tired as hell. It's late as hell. She was up trying to turn the light off. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel right now. Subscribe now. It's about to go down. And I have a dog. So to see his reaction, oh my god. This is about to be crazy. That's good enough. So how this gonna look like. Okay. So I'm gonna just light the end of that. That's even better. Okay. So I'm gonna set this up and then it's go time, baby. Alright. Going in for the kill.
That's not a thing for me to leave.
Instantly.
It's not.
I guess here's my only thought is like, because I recently, I have never been married either, so I don't know 12 years into any relationship. That is uncharted waters for me. Right. So
Y'all have to look at Ace's reaction right here. This shit is hilarious. He like, Mom, what you doing? What you doing? Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Thank you.
put like for beer commercials, they would put like a woman's leg and then just put the beer can. And that was enough for a man to be like,
That's right. What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? What the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck? I don't know. Where is that coming from? Oh, fucking firecracker. Where the fuck? What the fuck? What just happened? Blow it out. It smells like a whole. What happened? Bro, what the fuck is happening? What happened? Blow it out. Huh? Blow that shit, bro. What the fuck? Blow that shit. Got your ass, bitch. Got your motherfucking ass. Say, y'all, let me blow this shit out real quick, y'all, before I fucking talk to y'all. Before they fucking call the fucking people. Bitch, hold on, y'all. Let me blow this shit out. Before they kill us.
you ain't never heard him talk about anything that's beyond the surface level?
Hush mode.
Why would you?
Best friend, wake that ass up. Not for her to get back in the bed, y'all. Best friend, get up. Was you about to? Well, how did you feel? Did you have a panic attack?
Oh my gosh, what the? No. Oh my, why? Why?
It was how you hopped up, though, best friend.
No.
It was the. You was stopping that hoe like, bitch. How you feel right now, best friend?
No.
Is your heart up? Y'all, I've been thirsty to do this prank.
No, what? Wow.
She was out, so you was. I'm like, this is the perfect time. Let me get up.
Stop
And
playing.
do this.
Oh my gosh.
What was your reaction? I don't know what I would have done if I would have heard that shit.
Like,
Sleep.
okay, I was like, fuck, I'm going where the fuck I need to go. Like,
You was trying to beat the hell, okay? You said this shit needs to get the fuck out.
okay.
Y'all had to get my best friend. She was sleeping too peacefully. I had to wake that ass up.
Why? Like, oh my god. Okay.
She said prank wars.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Like this.
Enjoy your motherfucking sleep. Ace, I'm sorry. Your ass done panicked too. You done lost your motherfucking mind. You running back and forth, don't know what to do. It's okay, AC. I'm fucking dead, y'all. But yeah, y'all, if y'all like this video, give me a big fat big thumbs up. More pranks to motherfucking come. Y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love in the comments below. Hit that bell so you're notified every time your girl posts. And like I said, if y'all enjoyed this video, give me a big fat big thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Okay, y'all, I'm sitting back looking at the footage. And Ace fucking knocked my camera over. I'm mad because I wish y'all could have seen what I seen, but I still hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I still hope y'all was able to visualize by what she was saying in the video. So with that being said, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get better with these pranks. I'm gonna make sure everything is solidified and set. Okay? I love y'all. I'm so sorry. I swear next time gonna be better. I promise you. 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 Okay? I love y'all. Good night. I'm going to bed.